Nature Pal here. Whoa, camera. Sometimes I worry about nature. Hey, Nature Pal here. I worry because earlier the clouds were crying and I couldn't do anything to help them. Take a look. Those are the tears of a cloud. Hope you feel better soon. Nature, nature, I love you. Nature, you're my friend and I love you. Nature Pal here. Anytime I'm feeling down and out, I just come out here and squat by a tree stump. Yep, feeling better already. Thanks, nature. You good. You're good. Nature, you're my friend and I love you. Nature, nature, you're my friend and I love you. I love you. Okay? Stop getting in my way. It's a good day to breathe in the air. It's a good day to breathe in the air. Nature. You got me, girl.